Like, you can't tell me the makeup is not eating. Hi guys, welcome back to my bathroom. Today I'm going to be getting ready just to head out to go to work, and I want to show you guys my easy, everyday, very glowy makeup look. Today the main focus is going to be this blush combo that I have on. I love it so much. I'm going to be talking about the RMS powder blushes. So yeah, if you guys want to get ready with me, then go ahead and keep watching. I can't even help but smile because when how glowy my makeup is, like when I have makeup on like this, I feel so, like, I can't help it. I just feel so. All right, let's get into the video. Guys, before we even get into the video, do not worry. I'm going to make sure to list all the products that I'm using down below in the description box. Today I'm going to be using the Ilia Brows Pencil in the shade Soft Black to do my brows. I love to start with my brows first because I feel like brows shape the face, and if you know, like, I feel like what look I do is determined by my brows. How soft my brows look, how bold I make them look, however my brows look, then it's going to determine how the rest of my face is going to go. I went a little bolder today with the black because this wig, by the way, I've mentioned it on my TikTok. I think it's linked somewhere on my TikTok shop. One of my favorites. I think it looks really pretty. I love curly hair. I don't wear my curly hair often anymore, so I feel like it's nice to have a switch up. Anyway, let's get back to it. The best way to do your makeup is on clean skin before you put the products, and then the best way to know if you have done it right is to do this method I just did. That way you know that the placement of your brow shape is perfect. This is the brow shape that I like on my face. Sometimes I do go a little bit thinner when I have my hair up because I think it shapes my face better. These two products, my go-to always. The Bloom Effect Dew Drops, I do have a code with them. You can get 20% off. It is B, just B-E-E, like be the animal, and you'll get 20% off all their products. The Youthforia primer I use all the time. It's in all of my TikTok videos. It is a natural protector from earthly pollutions. It's a moisturizer. It is a primer. It's a shield between the skin and the makeup. So I love it. I use it all the time. I'm using the natural, what is it called, serum foundation by Rachel DeFille. Do you guys hear that little fork and plate? That's my sister eating, and she's all the way in the other room. She's really hungry, so she's enjoying the food. I do my foundation with my hand first. Do you see how skin like it looks? Like, you would not be able to know that I have anything on. It's literally my skin. It's the perfect shade. I wear shade 170. The foundation has an amazing line of shades. I really like the brand. This is the Kosas concealer in the shade 6N, and then I do a little bit of 7N as well to get the perfect shade I like. I like a little brightness, but not too much. I blend it in with my hand, then with a brush. The warmth of your fingers makes the concealer, the products, melt better. I don't know. I think so. I go in with my Tower 28 cream bronzer. This is Sculptino in the shade Hammer. And then I go in with my Kaya Weiss. Guys, I think Kaya Weiss is leaving the United States. I haven't seen them in stores. Well, I see them in stores, but a lot of the products are sold out. And then I went online to order something, and like so much of the concealer shades is out. So I don't know what's happening, but I hope they're not going anywhere. I love anything that's refillable, and Kaya Weiss has that like luxury feel to it, but still the products are affordable. So yeah, anyway, I hope they stay. I'm using my favorite translucent clean beauty powder. This is the Mob powder. I need them to fix the packaging. I cannot stand the packaging, but the packaging is like biodegradable, so it's amazing, but I wish it was a different design. Like, there needs to be a better design. I go in with my powder to give it that like very lightweight set kind of look, and then this, you guys, this blush, the perfect shade of pink by RMS, adds glow, but with the Kaya Weiss blush under, look at that, it's the perfect pink for me. I'm using the same bronzer I used on my face, on my on my lids. Like, I'm using it as my eyeshadow. Why am I stuttering? Hello. It's a Mob bronzer, and I think the reason why I love Mob so much is because a lot of their packaging, everything is refillable. So I love refillable brands. I feel like more brands should make sure their products are refillable. Anyways, on the lips, I have a little bit of the Gen C lipstick in Tobi, and then the Exa lip liner. This is my everyday, very simple, very much like fairy, because I am a fairy. I believe I'm long lost sister of Tinkerbell. ما حدا Tinkerbell. If I'm not her sister, I'm at least her best friend. Anyway. Like, you can't tell me the makeup is not eating. Obviously, today's video, the focus was the blush. I showed you guys two of my favorite combination, like two blushes I like to mix together. The RMS blushes are amazing if you are into like lightweight blushes, like powder blushes with highlighter in them. Like, they're just so glowy. I like to layer mine, and the combo that I showed you guys is my favorite combo. It gives me the best, like, glowy, very like magical. I just love how my cheeks look. It's still pink, it's so cute. I love it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, this is the look today, and if you want to get ready with me again, make sure to come back and visit me in my bathroom. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.